entertainment dito. Si Miura. He's giving the entertainment. Miura's giving us the entertainment. Good morning, blessed Sunday. Just arrived at the track and welcome by this one. Whoa! Woo! Fast lap yun. That's a fast lap. Look at these rally cars. They're like modified. It's open chassis, open motor. Anything goes in the rally class. You can run whatever you want. Only power. But you have to use rally tires and bodies. And here we go. Whoa! Ganda! Ganda ng landing. Totoong rally. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Pwede naman pala yung rally, additional ano. Entertainment.
ไม่ได้แบบโอ้โหมันจุ่มเมนเนี่ยไอเนี่ยแม่งไม่เหมือนเบลลี่นะเอาคลิปเลยมึงโอ้
Bawal sa gilid.
ล้อพับกันหนึ่ง
Wow!
สวยเลยวันนี้
Mabagal.
คนแม่งมีพันเดียว
Totoong dapat gawin. Hindi lang for entertainment. Ganda. Ayun na, bebelo na. Mukhang bebelo. Mukhang may intention. Wow! Talagang gusto niyang buwelo. Here he comes. Miura! Miura! Wow! Oh! 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 Actually, jumping over the rumble strip is the fastest lap. That was not only for entertainment, it's a smart move. And here it comes. Whoa! Paano mo tatalunin yun? Lahat sila. Wow! Wow! Oh! Oh! Oh, the view.
คือรถเขาโดดแล้วเขาลงจบสวยอ่ะ
Hey, here it goes.
เข้ามา
Oh, oh, oh.
นี่ไปต่อไงเทพอ้าวไปแล้วไปแล้ว
Patay na 3 wheels. 3 wheels. Oh, oh, oh. What?
นี่ก็ล้อไปล้อเดียว
Yung isa, 3 wheels eh. He's running 3 wheels. 3 wheels. Still racing. Look at this guy. 3 wheels.
มาแล้วfinish อ้าว
Tinapos mo, tatlong gulong.
อ๋อ finish แล้ว
Yes. Good morning. That was our welcome to the track.